Good morning, friends. Myself, Prem Kumar. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to show you how to fill up Form 10E. As we all know, Form 10E is mandatory for any area or advance received. There are 3 4 more regions from in which we have to fill up Form 10E. But now we will discuss to fill up Form 10E in case we received arrear. In my case, I have received bank arrears for the year 2019 and 2018. So now we'll go to income tax website. Here I have already logged in. After login, when you will see the top right corner, you will see 3 lines. So here I have to click, then go to e-file, then go to income tax forms, then file income tax forms. So it didn't come. I will try again. Okay, log out. So I will log in again. Friends, I have logged into income tax website. Now to fill up form 10E, I'll show you again. You have to go to e-file, then income tax forms, then file income tax forms. Here I have already filled this form 10E. It is in draft mode, so I will resume it. If it is not available, you can search here. Okay, in my case it is available, so I will resume. Okay, this first page will come back. Let us get started. We have to click on let us get started. Now as I told you, form 10 is filled for area salary received, advance salary, gratuity, compensation, and pension commutation if it is applicable to you. In my case, I have received area salary, so I will tick the first option. Now I'll continue to next page. I will get this three tabs. First one is personal information, where PAN detail, address, and all. It is easy if you click and save it. Then come to area salary family pension, where this second option we have to fill the details. So I will go to area salary family pension. Now total income, we have to calculate total income. Here I have I have giving this detail. I am filling this assessment ITR form for the year 2000, assessment year 2021, financial year 2020. So here financial year 2020, my taxable income is 738123. I have filled up. Then salary family pension received in arrear. So in my case, I received arrear for the year financial year I will talk, 2018 and 2019. I add both the year how much I have received for 2018 and 19. So I got total 1,60,654. I have to it will come, column 2 will come automatically when you will fill up the form year wise. That is next I will tell you. Then total income will be automatically calculated. Tax on total income will automatically calculated. Tax on total income as per system, as per item 1 will be automatically calculated. So where in this page I have to fill up only first column. Okay, rest all will be calculated automatically. Here you can see this 2 year I have shown, 2019 and 2018. So I have already filled and it is in draft mode, but I want to show you, so I will go to edit option. For the 2018 I will first go edit option. Then I am giving detail of 2018-19. Total income of the previous year means 2018 I have filled the ITR in which total taxable income was this much, 407,540. Then I received this advance salary means area, this advance salary means area I received in the 2018, it was 53,032 rupees. So I will fill here. Then rest all information will be calculated automatically. Then we have to save it. Now I have to same in the same way I will go for year 2019 and 20. Okay, so 2019-20, when I earlier filled this income tax return, my taxable income was 492.30. Then I received this much area, 1,07,622 rupees. I have filled up. Then rest all information will be calculated automatically. Then I will save. Now, when in my case I received only area in 2018 and 19. So here two column is there, 2018 and 19. In some of the staff case, somebody received area for 2017. So they have to fill for detail for 2017 also, as well as 18 and 19 also. Okay, friends. Now, after filling the details, we will save. And then I will go for preview. Whatever information I have filled, it will displayed here. Okay. Then almost we have completed. The only thing is after filling this form 10E, we have to e-verify it. So I'll go to e-verify. Okay, for e-verify we have option to verify using OTP, mobile number registered with Aadhaar, and so many other option. Okay, so you verify, then submission will come if site is working properly. I have tried 1-2 times, but I couldn't submit it. But if you will not submit it due to server problem, you can submit afterward also, it will be saved there. So friends, I hope I can demonstrate you how to fill up form 10E. Once you fill up, it is a easy task. Once, because most of our staff received area first time who have joined in 2017 afterward. So that's why first time we are filling it. I also, so we are filling it somehow difficult. But once I filled it, it is an easy task. So thank you, friends. If any query, please send me. I will try to reply. Thank you.